नमस्कार, वेलकम टू माय न्यू व्लॉग। आज हम बना रहे हैं मसाल पूरी। एक बहुत ही टेस्टी चैट है। फॉर दैट वी नीड द मेन masala gravy. This is the main hero for the masala puri, the masala. In a mixer grinder, take some coconut and some cashew. This is the base ingredient. After that, add onion, tomatoes, coriander leaves, and add all types of spices along with some jaggery, salt, and water. Mix this very well and blend it. After that we require a base, right? For that, take some boiled aloo, which is the potatoes, and some green peas. Divide it into half proportion. One need to be boiled and another need to be a paste. That is the green peas and the potatoes. Let's fry some puris. take a plate and then add the crushed puris and then add the gravy, add some mixture, onion, tomatoes, chaat masala and some salt. You can also add imli chutney, the sweet tamarind chutney if you want. And now this is a perfect masal puri with a perfect blend of all the spices along with some sweet taste from the jaggery. So it was very nice. Do try this recipe. So this is an extra recipe which you need to make a pani, a masala water. The same puri can be used for making it as a pani puri, but you can also use this like a drink for masala, the masal puri, or you can make the pani puri gravy like this. Take coriander leaves and all types of spices along with some hajmola, salt, some water, and then add some chaat masala and pani puri masala, and then add the water and adjust the consistency. So here our pani is ready. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this video. Let us meet in the next video. Please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.